I will appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the current stage of the Oyingbo train station and Oyingbo Flyover bridge here in Lagos, Nigeria. The Oyingbo train station, which is also going to be the starting point of the Red Line station and will be terminating at the Agbado station. This 37-kilometer Red Line passenger rail service from Oyingbo, Lagos State to Agbado in Ogun State is set to commence operation by December 2023 as announced by Lagos State government. I will appreciate if you hit the like button. Thank you. The Oyingbo train station, which is also part of the Red Line Rail project and also part of the Lagos Rail Mass Transit Scheme. This Oyingbo train station is also going to connect with other Red Line stations like the Yaba train station, Mushin train station, Oshodi train terminal, Ikeja train station, Agege train station, Iju train station, and Agbado train station as well. Mind you, before commencement of operation, the Lagos State government will be doing a lot of testing and signalization because this rail track will also be working with Nigerian Railway Corporation operating train service from Ebute Metta in Lagos to Abeokuta and Ibadan respectively. The Oyingbo Agbado Rail project is the first phase of the Red Line Rail project, which most of the station is around 90 to 95% completion. For city like Lagos, rail provide a significant escape to avoid traffic, gridlock, which has become permanent feature in our environment. Indeed, commuters in Lagos and beyond have waited for many years for the Blue Line Rail and the Red Line Rail aimed at easing the daily Lagos traffic. Lagos is home to about more than 20 million people and more than 3 million cars are on the road, so there is need for rail to decongest traffic in Lagos State. The new rail line, when completed and commissioned, will ease the traffic congestion, reduce traffic, and also reduce road accidents in the state. So when the Oyingbo Agbado Rail project is completed, people staying around Agbado, Ijoko, and its environment can make use of the rail for easy business access to Lagos with less travel time. Couple of weeks ago, Lagos State government commenced operation of the Blue Line Rail, starting from Marina to Mile 2. A lot of Lagosians and Nigerians are now enjoying the metro rail with less stress and less travel time. While we await the construction of the second phase of the Blue Line Rail, starting from Mile 2 to Okokomaiko axis of Lagos, people can still make use of the first phase and enjoy it to the fullest. Very close to the Oyingbo train station, there is also Oyingbo bus terminal, which gives passengers the option of using the train or using the Lagos BRT bus. It is crystal clear that after completion of the Red Line Rail project, in conjunction with the Blue Line Rail project, Lagos traffic narrative will change. Let me know what you think about this project and if it is feasible to commence operation by December 2023 as announced in the comment section of this video. Thank you. The Oyingbo Flyover bridge is around 95% completion as at the time of recording this video. The bridge is completed and currently undergoing painting. Even people have started making use of the pedestrian bridge attached to the flyover bridge. Like other train stations, the Yaba flyover bridge is completed, the Mushin flyover bridge is still undergoing construction at the time, Ikeja flyover bridge is completed, Iju flyover bridge is still undergoing construction, and Agbado flyover bridge is around 85 to 90% completion as you can see. All the vehicle overpass bridge are very important because of the unfortunate train bus accident that used to happen around train track, like the last one that happened in Shogunle. So all the flyover is necessary around the train station for free vehicular movement and also free train movement as well. If you like this video, do well to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. You can check out my page for other related content. I also create travel video, real estate videos as well. If you're interested in this kind of videos, feel free to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video. I will see you in the next video. Peace.